guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about a new client that I had. She's a actually friend of a she's actually my best friend's family. She wanted to be able to come to me and get her hair looked at and repaired. She has went a whole year. She started her locks a year ago with just loose natural hair. She didn't do no two-strand twist. She didn't do no technique or anything like that. She just let her hair just one day just lock up. So I figured this would be a great video for you guys because you very rarely get anyone that just let their hair just lock up and don't do twists, don't do interlocking, nothing, just loose natural hair. The thing about that is it's very good, but when you do when you just let it lock up for a whole year and you just let your natural hair lock up, it kind of takes of a mind of its own. You may have small locks, you may have little locks, you may have big locks, and that's exactly what happened with hers. Maybe if because she didn't have any maintenance either, she just went freeform. Maybe if she did some maintenance, where she lived at, because she actually was from another city, she was on vacation wherever she was. If maybe she had went in maybe about 2 to 3 months and got them cultivated and separated and all that good stuff, then she would have been able to my camera went down, but then she would have been able to have them sectioned off, have them the size that she wanted. But like I said, the only downfall of doing that and not doing any maintenance, you can have all type of locks. So she did have one big lock right here that I could not separate. Like when I say it's separated and it stayed together, you cannot cut locks like that. She was like, cut. I said, no, you cannot cut locks like that. So just wanted to show you her journey. Very beautiful lady, nice lady. So glad she started her locks, and I love how thick they are. They are super thick. Great candidate for a video, so I wanted to show you guys. But like I said, if you do want your locks to be uniform, same size, none of them is never the same size, but at least you can kind of have them more uniform. You do have to go in and do lock maintenance. Thank God that her hair, her texture was soft, but it was still, she had a lot of hair, so she was, and it was curly too. So she was able to go without that long without them breaking off, but they were close to breaking off. They were dangling so much, and when I say dangle, you got a lot of new growth going on, and it needed some tender loving care. So she came to me at the right time. She let me know she had lost a couple locks. Like I said, to me, maintenance is important. I mean, I know a lot of us don't like to get maintenance done, but it really is important. If I don't maintenance it, or a stylist don't maintenance it, let you at least maintenance it. As soon as you shampoo it, make sure you pull it apart. She was shampooing it, very clean. No, oh wait, the only buildup that she did have, I forgot to talk about that. She used the black Ampro styling gel. Don't ever, ever, ever with locks use the Ampro styling gel. That is fine. We are a loose natural. You putting your hair back up in a ponytail. She has so much of the Ampro still after her shampoos. She still had the Ampro left. So please, no Ampros either. And I'm going to be coming out with a class too, guys. I'm going to do a virtual class of how to care for locks. It's basic. It's easy. You want to care for your locks, because if you don't care for them now, you're going to have a bunch of buildup down the line. And I'm telling you, once you get buildup in your hair, you guys, if you follow me, you know I had a little bit of buildup from oil and water. Yes, you can get buildup from oil and water. You want to always make sure you're really taking care of your locks, okay? So I'm going to go ahead with the video. I'm going to show you slideshows, nothing of how to do it, because I got a lot of videos of how to do interlocking. I'm just showing you the process and the end result. If you want me to be able to do your hair, I would love to. Please contact me. I'll put all my information in the video description box. And like I said, I will be having a class soon. If you would like to join that virtual class, please just leave it in the comments below. Just say, I would love to join, and you guys, information will be coming shortly. Okay, it's probably going to be on Zoom. So if you're in another state, you most definitely will be able to come. And even if you have locks, it's still good you never know what you might learn down the line. Because I would love to be able to teach you. I want us to all have healthy, beautiful, thriving locks. Locks is just like a plant. You have to water, you have to cultivate, you have to love it, and it will love you back. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment. Be blessed, guys. Bye. We got a lot of the Ampro styling gel out. She unfortunately used the Ampro styling gel, but I'm gonna give her a good regimen so she'll know to use the Aloe gel. Please, guys, do not use the Ampro gel in your locks at all because it does not come out. Look at this. You see this tile? Yeah, she washed about 4 times and still have it in there. But we finna get these looking good, guys. So stay tuned to the end result. We are about to interlock her hair. The type of texture that she has is nice and soft and curly. So you most definitely want to interlock this type of hair. I let her know that if she want to maybe get her hair interlocked, maybe like twice or 3 times a year, that's fine. Because I know some people do not get their hair done often, but you still have to keep maintenance. When you wash them, you have to pull them apart. You have to oil them. Just because you have locks don't mean just let your hair go, okay? I just wanted to reiterate that. But we finna come back, and I love how thick they are. You see how nice and thick they are? And that's what's so good about this. Because her hair is nice and thick, she does not have a lot or any breakage. It's just some of them stuck together. But we'll get these all together and come back at you guys and see the end result.